Hey, welcome back, OneKey customers. We are back with another quick tip video. Today, we're focusing on MLS Touch and how it talks to MLS Client. When you set up your branding inside MLS Touch, it doesn't just live in your app, it actually carries over to the experience your clients have too. So I want to show you what I'm talking about today. So on the left-hand side, we're starting here in MLS Touch. You can look at this as your control center for everything. This is your agent-facing app. Everything your clients see and experience comes from here. So on the left screenshot, you'll see next to the mail icon, there's a little circle with your initials in it. If you go ahead and click on that, it'll bring you to this page here on the right. And under configurations, you'll see manage branding. Once you go ahead and select manage branding, it'll bring you to the screenshot here on the left, the branding center. So from here, you have two options. You can create a custom brand kit, or you can choose from pre-made brand kits available. We're going to go ahead and create our own today. And once you select create your own, the screenshot on the right shows you can upload a logo, you can choose a primary, secondary, and accent color, and finally, you can preview the brand kit you just created. This is what your client will see on their end when they're browsing listings in MLS Client. Your brand is right there with them throughout the entire home search. This is one of those small setup changes that makes a big difference in how professional and consistent you look. If you haven't filled out your branding in MLS Touch or in Matrix yet, now is the time. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at OneKey MLS. And to learn more, go to support.onekeymls.com.